Okay, we are in Santa Barbara and California, and here we are, and the only way I could do this and have the connection good is to do half screen. But I see a black moon rising, I guess. Check that out. I'm going to watch this for a minute or two. That is huge. And that's not part of what our sky is supposed to look like. So, yeah, that is a big black blobby object. That's not a moon. And right now in California, it's 8:45 p.m. on the 5th. Make sense of that one. I don't know what to say. But it's big, it's black, it's Santa Barbara, and it's 8:45 p.m. So, alright, just wanted to give you a quick peek on that. And we're going to be moving on. Yep, Santa Barbara. What the heck is that? I'll see you soon.